What is a baby rabbit called?
A rabbit and
Bunny.
bunny, rabbit, bunny. I don't know, bunny. Rabbit, bunny. We need to find the next one. It might be lamb.
Might be a lamb.
Always look, people gathering around.
What's a baby chicken called?
Chick.
Jaden, do your chick noise. Chicken noise. Jensen, do a chick noise. What's going on? To make a prediction, what do you think the next one's going to be?
I'm gonna guess a lamb, I think.
Right, let's see. Was you right with your prediction?
Yeah? That's. Can you not see that's a lamb? What's a baby pig called?
What is a baby pig called?
Piggy.
No. What is it called, a baby pig? A piglet.
A pig.
Do you actually not know that, guys?
I do know it.
I did know it, but
Wow.
I forgot it.
Because you're in a rush. Say hi, Livy. Say hi. What's your prediction for the next one?
A lamb.
What's your prediction?
Donald Duck.
What do you think it's going to be?
The bat.
A what?
A bat.
What's one of them?
A duck.
No, I think it's going to be a bat.
Right, let's see then.
Let's see who's the closest.
Look at her. Are you happy?
No.
You change your mind into a what? What is a baby duck called?
A duckling.
What is it? A duckling? Watch Jensen climb up. Jensen's like a pro tree climber now, aren't you, Jens? Every time we go to the park, he's always climbing the trees. Oh, I've said he's a pro, but he can't even get up.
Maybe with me you could hold these, please. How about this? Oh, you don't.
He's like Tarzan, isn't he?
Except he doesn't get over the trees. Just...
Lila, no. You're right. Look at Jensen's walk. Go on, Jens, you can do it. Delilah Ray, are you able to carry on? Yes. Ankle seems fine now. It's not a lamb. Should we go and find the lamb? Come on then. It's really easy pushing a pram with a tired baby, holding one's hand, keeping an eye on another one and another one. Ah, it was all going well.
This is what's it called? 8. What number is it?
7.
Oh,
Jaden thought we missed one with all the drama.
Not the baby.
No, what's a baby goat called?
Go.
Goat.
What's it actually called? I don't even know. Is it a fawn or something? Or is that completely wrong?
Kid.
A kid! Yeah! A fawn's like a deer or something. It's a kid because my uni teacher used to say, don't call the children kids because they're not baby goats.
No.
What do we think the next one's going to be?
Olivia's sock. Wait,
A horse?
I think lamb.
Oh, is it a baby horse that's called a fawn?
A baby horse is called a mini horse.
What?
Yeah.
Mini horse. phone is from
You
Narnia.
can put it down.
Can I?
Yeah.
Hold on tight. Oh my gosh, I can't steer. What is it, Jens?
AKA lamb, I guess.
How's Mummy gonna... Oh, I was gonna say, how's Mummy gonna get up that hill with Lila?
No, Lila.
Go on, record and see if I can do it
Right.
without the phone. Are you ready? Are you ready? Straight, straight, super straight, super straight, super straight, super straight. Oh, easy, easy. Right,
Olivia.
let's find it.
Yeah.
I'll record if you want.
Can you do this? Can someone else do this?
No, you're the chief. Come on, what's the baby's?
Over there.
Jensen, come on, we need to know what a baby sheep's called. What's it called? A lamb?
A lamb.
Who's it a goat? Is it a lamb or
When
a goat?
rescuing Jensen, I've got a nettle and it's really hurting.
What was it?
Jens?
I found a hole. That's what I get. It's a hole.
Is it Lila?
It's a forest.
Forest?
Yeah.
Why do you look scared? Why are you scared? Look at that water behind you. Careful. So Jensen's found the cow, and I'm not going to lie, I forgot what a baby cow was called, but Jaden knows. It's a calf. My brain does not work anymore.
Mine does.
Jensen, what's a baby cow called? You don't know? Why don't you ask your big brother? Moo! Calf. It's a what? Frog and a tadpole? A turtle?
Baby hedgehog.
Baby hedgehog? Oh, I don't actually know what a baby hedgehog's called. Do you, do you know, Jaden?
Hedgehog? Google
Just
it.
write hedgehog.
Just Google it.
I can't because of the video.
No kids.
You could
A
show
baby
us.
hedgehog. It's a baby, so it's called a baby hedgehog.
It's alright, I've got the answers, but I'll just do it without the kids looking. Don't, Jensen, don't ruin it. What number is it? It's called a hoglet. Only 3 more to go. I don't know where Lila's gone. I think we've lost her. Boo! I think Jensen's found some cows. A real cow? Oh yeah. One there hiding.
He might bit my finger.
You might bite your finger. What's he doing down there? What's a baby butterfly? What's a baby butterfly called?
I know.
I know you know. What's a baby butterfly?
A caterpillar.
Well done.
Oh, it's a caterpillar. I not hurt my lip. Badger or bugger?
Badger.
Badger. Oh. Jaden!
Right, what's a baby badger called?
Baby badger.
Close your eyes.
It's called a cub.
A cub.
Yeah. Should we
I
write
thought
it on?
that's a baby lion.
On that one?
I thought it's a baby lion.
Yeah,
No,
it is.
Lila can't write. Lila can't write.
What are you panicking for? It's fine. What I'd do to be Livy right now. We're struggling to find the last one. What have you found, gents?
I know what it is. It's something to sit on.
Finally, the last one. Reaching the end. And she's down. Jump up! Come on, Jensen's found it. Up you get.
What do you think it's going to be? Oh, I thought it was going to be a donkey.
A donkey. What's the baby deer called? We're going to have to get the answer sheet out again.
An antler.
Oh, I'll be quiet.
No, that's the thing.
You got it?
A baby deer.
Yeah.
Got one.
Baby deer, what's that called?
Lawn? Fawn?
Is it? Let's have a look on the answers.
Baby
I
fawn.
knew that a fawn was on there.
Where? Oh, Jensen's right.
He was right.
I'm in the water. Lila, I'm going to take you in my bum. We're all gone now. Oh, help me.
Jaden's pretending he's drowning.
Oh, the midgies. The midgies.
Come on, Lila. Are you copying the answers? Are you writing the answers?
Oh.
Kitten. Did you get a sticker? What did you get? What did you get?
An ant.
And what chocolate did you get?
An egg.
Lila, what did you get? Did you get an egg? Oh, look at her face. Do you not like it? Do you not like it?